going on, guys? This is gonna be awesome tonight. 2 Cello boxes. I'm ready. I am ready. This is gonna be awesome. What are we, almost at the hour? I think so. Appreciate everybody tonight. And good luck to everyone. Should be a fun night. Now let's get the show on the road. Start popping. Get the stack going. Look at that. All right. Let's do this. Got the laser prism packs. We're going to save those lasers for the end on the first box. So we'll pop these and then we'll pop the lasers. Good luck, guys. We got silver already. Jalen Brunson. Dion Waters. Pascal, first rookie. For the first silver, Dragic. Or Dragic. Dragic. That's what it is. I don't know why it's so hard for me to say that. Here we go. Green. Shayak. He just signed in a different country, I believe. And we got backstage pass. Chris Paul. It's pretty sick looking. Durant base. Carmelo base. Rookie. Braz Dicus. Or Deacus. There's a Hachimura tribute rookie. And we got silver. Goga. Batadze rookie. We got a blue. Moutier. That's nice looking. And courtside, Giannis. That's sick. Dang, looks like we got more silver coming up. Brogdon. Nurkic. Okafor. Claxton rookie. Covington. Anthony Davis tribute. And we got silver. Andre Drummond. Oh, nice. Green, Kobe White. Nice. An NBA City. Doncic. That was a good pack. Those are some good ones. This white is nice. There you go, Chicago. Starting the wall tonight. Justin Jackson. Diallo. Ingles. Jimmy Butler. Lugens Dort, rookie. OKC. And Darius Baisley, rookie. OKC. I think those guys come back to back. Jackson Hayes. 3 rookies. And we got a silver. Rookie, Darius Garland. Nice. Man, that's sick. And for the green, Vucevic. Magic. And Cam Reddish. We got next. A lot of rookies in that one. Jason Tatum, base. Christian Wood. DeAndre Ayton. Nerlens Noel. Marvin Bagley. Rajon Rondo. Rookie, Schofield. And another rookie, Samanic. And San Antonio. And we got a silver. Thunder, Chris Paul. Nice. And for the green, Gallinari. More for OKC. And we got a blue, zero gravity, Jaylen Brown. That's awesome. I like the parallels in this set. What are we at? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Halfway point here. And I'm actually getting kind of excited for those lasers. I think we're going to stop and hit the lasers after this one. Changed my mind. Bogdanovich, Tristan Thompson, Moutier, Lowry, Mo Bamba, Shayak, base rookie, Cameron Johnson, base, Kyrie Irving, tribute. And we got the silver. Who'd we get? Hassan Whiteside. There you go, Blazers. Nice. Blue, Cam Reddish. Man, that's sick. And there's a John Wall, NBA City. All right, guys. Let's hit the first 6 lasers. Good luck on the lasers. Let's hit some good rookies. We got Aaron Holiday to start us off. Troy Brown Jr. And did we get a rookie? Grizzlies. Rookie, Brandon Clark. Fooled me. No Morant, but let's try again. Carux, Aaron Gordon. And did we hit one? Tribute, Charles Barkley. Alex Caruso, John Wall. And did we get one? Anthony Simmons. Come on, we need more rookies. Thad Young. De'Aaron Fox. And J.R. Smith. Anthony Davis. We got Cat, Minnesota. And DeAndre Hunter. Nice. There you go, Hawks. Got Kid Gilchrist, Chris Middleton, and Carson Edwards, rookie. There you go, Boston. Not sure why my camera's doing that. It has never done that before. Steven Adams. Jeremy Lamb. There we go. Nasir Little, rookie. Karl Malone, tribute. And we got silver. Kobe White, tribute. Silver. Nice. Man. Ooh, there we go. Scope. Aldridge. I believe that's called a scope. Not numbered. And we got Embiid, courtside. Another nice Kobe. He's on fire lately, too. Maybe it has something to do with that. All right, let's keep it going. Josh Hart, DeJounte Murray, Dylan Windler, rookie. Terrence Davis. Dirk Nowitzki, tribute. And we got silver. Bradley Beal, silver. Nice. He's on fire lately. Avery Bradley for our green. And Ja Morant, we got next. There you go, Grizzlies. Nice. Solid. Middleton, De'Aaron Fox, Kevin Knox, Brian Forbes, Cody Martin, and Ja Morant base. Nice. A little off-centered. Ooh, silver. Dylan Brooks. Saw the Grizzlies and I thought it was him again. Green. Dwayne Bacon. And we got a blue NBA City Embiid. Couple Morants now. No Zions yet. Anthony Davis. There's Jokic. Andre Robertson. John Wall. Devin Booker. Valanciunas. And Jalen Noel. For our rookie. And we got John Stockton Tribute. And here we go. We got silver. Bulls. Zach LaVine. Nice. Green. Cameron Johnson. Amazing. And Ty Jerome. We got next. Michael Bridges. We got Cat. Justin James, rookie. Harrison Barnes. And Tremont Waters. And we got silver. Shaquille O'Neal. Tribute silver. And for the green, Nurkic. Nice. We got next, Sekou. Blue Prism. That is sick. Last pack, guys. The first box. Good luck. We still got the 6 more laser packs, too. Galloway. Kawhi Leonard. Jeremy Grant. McCollum. Isaiah Roby. Nice. Patrick Beverly. KZ Okpala. Base rookie. And we got some silver. DeAndre Ayton. Not bad. We got a couple blues to finish off the first box here. Darius Garland, blue. Amazing. That is nice. And Dragic. I'll never learn how to say it. Blue NBA City. Man, a couple Garlands tonight already. Those are nice. Here we go. Let's hit the lasers. Ooh, Stephen Curry. Starting us off on the second half of the lasers. We got Ibaka. And Al Horford. Kyle Kuzma. Derek White. And did we get a rookie? PJ Washington. Nice. There you go, Charlotte. Seeing some rookie action. Robin Lopez. This big hair. TJ Warren. And we got Naz Reid. Minnesota. I didn't know he was in here. Forgot he was in here. Kent Bazemore. Derek Favors. And did we get one? RJ Barrett tribute. Nice. Man, these cards are sick looking. Iguodala. Devin Booker. And we got DeAndre Hunter tribute. Nice. Last pack of the first Cello. We got John Henson. I always liked him. Kevin Knox. And Jordan Poole. There you go, Warriors. Pop this second boy. Good luck, guys. No Zions yet. Couple Morants. Couple sick Kobe's. A couple nice Garlands. Dragic. It's their C pronunciations, man, that get me. They're crazy. Here we go. We got Joe Harris. David Burtons. Otto Porter. DeJounte Murray. DLO. Inglis. Horford. Brandon Clark, base rookie. Kobe White, tribute rookie. Nice. And we got a silver. Nets. Kyrie Irving, silver. That's a good pack to start with We got Mitchell Robinson. 4-hour blue. And we got a 0 gravity. DeMar DeRozan. That's a sick Kyrie. There we go. Markkanen. Michael Porter Jr. Got Gordon Hayward. That's a sick pick. Eric Bledsoe. Myers Leonard. Always trying to be a tough guy. Brandon Ingram. Valanciunas. We got a rookie. Jalen Noel. And we got silver. Miami Heat, rookie. Kendrick Nunn. Not bad. We got blue. Al Horford. And a courtside. Ben Simmons, blue. Zubac, Courtney Lee. There's Trae Young base. Jimmy Butler. Brogdon. Nurkic. Naz Reid, rookie. Nice. And PJ Washington base. Terrence Mann. And we got silver. Bucks. Chris Middleton. For the green, Andre Drummond. It looks like we got blue. Or it's a we got next. Kendrick Nunn. Rozier. Kawhi Leonard base. Jeremy Grant. RJ Barrett base. There you go, Knicks. Luka Samanic base. Dwayne Wade tribute, and we got silver. Nice. Alexander Walker, silver. And it looks like we got scope. Paul Millsap. I love that design. It's awesome. And we got Cameron Johnson. We got next. That was a pretty good pack. The Barrett and the Walker. Jamal Murray. We got John Wall. Devin Booker. Chris Middleton. Kevin Porter Jr. Base rookie. First KPJ tonight. We got Duncan Robinson. And Ty Jerome. We got silver. Lakers. Caldwell Pope. We got some green behind him. For the green, Tobias Harris. And we got some blue. Steph Curry. NBA City blue. That's nice. We got laundry. Porzingis. McCollum. Lonzo Ball. Ball brothers just played, or they're playing right now. We got Rudy Gay. Shayok, base rookie. Cameron Johnson. We hit those two in the last one, along with Justin James. And we got some silver. Cavs. Could it be another Garland? No. Della Vadova. And we got a green. Terrence Ferguson. And for our NBA City blue, Miles Bridges. What are we halfway through the second box? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, let's go. Let's do these lasers. I love these things. We've got James Harden. Andrew Wiggins. Yeah, no Zion yet. Talon. Horton Tucker. Laser rookie. Nice. That's sick. Remember his value skyrocketed in 3 days there in the preseason. That was crazy. Torrey Craig. Terrence Ross. And did we get a rookie? Dean Wade. Looking for that hero, huh? Still no hero, still no Zion. That's what we need. Marcus Smart. Derrick Jones Jr. Pistons. Sekou Doumbouya. There you go, Pistons. That's a sick one there. Jay Crowder. Donovan Mitchell. We got a tribute. Allen Iverson. I love that card. Adebayo. We got Markelle Fultz. And Wizards, Moritz Wagner. Daniel House Jr. Aaron Baines. And Portland Trailblazers rookie Nasir Little. We got 6 more packs. Definitely pulling a lot of parallels. I like these. Wesley Matthews, Kevin Love. We got Anthony Davis, Cauley Stein, Bradley Beal, Ayton, Jeremy Lamb. Haven't heard much of him this year. There's Nasir Little, base rookie. Dean Wade, base. And we got some silver. To the Pacers, TJ Warren. Man. And for the green, Blazers, Carmelo Anthony. And we got a backstage pass, Luka. Nice. That's awesome. There's a Steph Curry base. Aaron Holiday, Michael Bridges. We got a Cat base. Bull base. Nice. Dirk Nowitzki, tribute. And for the silver, Derek White. I love his hair, man. Chris Paul, green. Couple Chris Pauls tonight. And we got courtside, Giannis. We're getting down to the nitty-gritty. 4 more packs left. Rookie, KZ Akpala. I saw Heat, and I thought it was your hero. We got Chris Paul, tribute. And for the silver, we got Hornets, Bayambo. And for the green, we have Zach LaVine. That's sick. And Lou Williams, NBA City. Yeah, I honestly think they short print those three players. That's how it is in Prism as well. So hard to find those three. Or at least in Prism, it's hard to find Ja and Zion. Kid Gilchrist. There's a Thad Young. John Henson. Kobe White, base rookie. Awesome. Taco Fall base. First taco tonight. There you go, Boston. It's a nice one to have. There's a Wagner. And we got silver behind him. Thunder. Gilgeous Alexander Silver. Nice. And for the green, DeAndre Hunter. Pretty good pack. Followed by Nasir Little, blue. We got next. Okay, Matt, I got you. You were probably on a roll at one point. Two more packs. I really like these hoops. We got Jokic, Caruso, Iguodala, Nerlens Noel, Bagley. We've had this pack. Moutier, Sekou base. There you go, Pistons. Awesome. And a Horton Tucker base. What a pack. And a Rui tribute rookie. Nice. And we got some silver. To the Knicks. Brazdeikis. There's a blue Bogdan. That's awesome looking. And we got a courtside silver LeBron James. Man, that's sick. That was a good pack, man. There's a lot of good stuff in that one. Let me get these sleeved up. And here we go. Final pack, guys. Minus the 6 laser packs we still got left. Last pack, Magic. Coming to you. We got Christian Wood starting us off. That's a good sign. Batum. Bogdanovich, the other one. We got Frank. Siakam. Evan Fournier. Yes, Scott, all cards do ship. It's going to be a lot of sorting for me. Nick Claxton for our last base rookie here. We might have some more actually behind him. Covington. Isaiah Roby. And for the last silver here. Boom! Dwayne Dedman. To the Hawks. What do we got here? We got Green. Kyle Guy, Green rookie. Nice. The rookies weren't over yet. We got a blue. Blue, zero gravity. Aaron Gordon. That looks awesome. He's in the old school Magic jersey there. I like that one. And here we go, guys. We got 6 more laser packs to finish off. Robin Lopez. Derek White. And P.J. Washington Jr. I think we hit that same pack in the other one. Bazemore. J.J. Redick. And R.J. Barrett. Nice. Way to go, Knicks. That's awesome. Jamal Murray. Derek Favors. And we have R.J. Barrett. There you go, Knicks. It's always those unpaid teams, man. Those always get the good hits. Three more packs. We got Aaron Holiday. T.J. Warren. And to finish it off the pack, Naz Reid, rookie. Two more packs, guys. You guys got a chance here. Kyle Kuzma. Dennis Schroeder. And we have Clippers, Terrence Mann. Last pack, guys. Thanks again, everybody. I appreciate everybody's time tonight. I hope to see you guys again. Carucks. We got Troy Brown Jr. And the last card goes to Brandon Clark, the Grizzlies. Awesome. Thanks again, guys. I appreciate everyone tonight. That was awesome. We'll be doing some more. I'll see you guys again.